What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Lance. If you guys have not subscribed yet and you guys are watching this video, consider subscribing. This is my automotive channel. So today, to start the video, I just want to say we're on a mission right now. There's something that I'm really looking forward to and I'm probably gonna have to wait in line for it. I'm sure you guys seen the thumbnail or the title of today's video, but today we're working on a JDM Legend. Today we're gonna work on the NSX, meet up with my boy Skyler, and the NSX hasn't been on the channel for quite some time either. Hopefully maybe one day if Skyler lets me, maybe I can drive one of the NSXs, but I really want an NSX. So let's go. Oh my god, this line is freaking long. I'm trying to get there. There's the line. I'm on the other side of the parking lot. I'm not usually the type to always go out and buy Starbucks. I usually just buy the pre-packaged Starbucks in a bottle from the store. But Starbucks holiday flavors just started today. Oh, you look at that. They give us a free cup and we got the peppermint mocha. Ooh, now let's get to work, guys. You know what's crazier than having one NSX? Two of them. So today we're back at Skyler's house. We're gonna go ahead and fix the alternator. Considering that the car is over 20 years old and only the alternator goes out now, that's really good. So Skyler got a rebuilt Denso alternator and hopefully we can get the car running again. But seriously guys, look. One NSX and two NSX. If you guys see one of my first videos, I actually filmed Skyler picking up this NSX from a friend, Mike. This is the one that we went to go and pick up in Maui. On an impulse buy, me and Skyler flew to Maui and he bought the car, which is crazy, so crazy. On the real though, it's kind of like those Fast and Furious vibe where you have Dominic Toretto's driveway and you just got nice cars. What we got here? What we got here? Damn. Oh, dude, this is super light.
No joke, I
this
told
is
you.
ridiculously light.
It's lighter than the hub.
Okay, this is gonna be the next one that we're gonna do. Oh my god, this is super light. Lighter, it's like almost as light as a frisbee. Okay, we got this next. If you guys haven't seen one of the first videos we made too, we bagged this car in one day. So go check it out. I'll put the link up above. Don't mind the engine bay. This is gonna need a little TLC, but we're gonna be changing the alternator today. What I understand is there's 3 bolts that hold it together. There's a pivot bolt, there's one to hold it in a spot and another to keep the tension on the belt. It's very important to disconnect the battery, or anytime you're ever working with electrical, you should disconnect the battery anyway, just for safe purposes. First on the list is taking off the battery. Look at that backyard set over here. Good thing the trunk is right here and we can use this as our little workstation. And I'm just gonna put the camera right around here. I already know once it cracks, my hand's gonna
that's what I was trying.
Smash! There we go. Just for education purposes, we cracked one bolt here. There was a little casing to expose the belt, so we got the belt exposed. So right over here, goes on like that. Now we cracked the other bolt. So the way that this works, and I'll show it to you guys later, but this is what helps the tension of the belt to go up and down, and it's being held by an open head bolt all the way down in here, which we can see, you can kind of see the thread right here, but it runs perpendicular, so that's what helps it move up and down. So we're gonna get this out, and you can already tell, like, you can already tell that this is loose and this is gonna start to pivot. As you can see, we can pivot it already.
You should be able to pull that bolt out.
Ooh, my big fingers got it. Okay, now it should be able to slide. There we go.
From this side.
There we go. Just gotta undo that tab, yeah. All right, we got the ball mount. So just a little comparison of the old one compared to the new one that we're putting in. So reinstalling everything is just doing everything backwards. Just to give an illustration of the tensioner bolts, this bolt goes in, which allows this bolt, the position bolt, to go up and down, which holds the tension for the alternator. So I hope that makes sense, but that's what holds the tension for the belt, because the alternator is directly connected with the crankshaft, and the belt again is just 2 pieces. So here's the pulley. So this is the pulley on the alternator where we put the belt, which lines up with the crankshaft itself. We need to do a little cleaning a bit, a little lubing, because this alternator won't slide. All right, she's in there. Skyler's gonna be putting on the belt. So what I'm doing right here is loosening the tensioning. This is what helps allow the alternator to move up and down. That way you can get the belt on its track. Kind of put it up too much now. Perfect. Here you can go ahead and lock it up. We got Skyler hooking it all back up. Everything is good. Again, guys, look at that. 2 NSXs in one lot. Just to recap on the car, because I know some of you guys are going to be looking for an NSX one day. Maybe you might have to change the alternator, but it's very simple. But in correct order, it should be your battery, and then your 3 bolts, At the same time, once you take off the belt tensioner, that way everything is loose, you take out your belt, and then you lift this up, and at the same time you can expose this tab, you pull this tab out, and then you switch it out, for a new one, and then you just repeat, or you just go backwards, I should say. All right, moment of truth. Come on. Yes! She's alive once again, my boy. Belt's running good. Not snagging anywhere. Don't smell any rubber burning, so that's a good sign. While we let this one warm up for a little bit, we figure it's good to start this one up too. So we're gonna change out for the new battery. Hopefully it was just a battery problem for this one, but I think it should start. Let's see if this one starts. Woo! We got two starting. Oh, that looks so good. Since he has two NSXs, maybe one day I'll get two GTRs. Not two of the same GTR, but two GTRs. Let's hear it. Sounds good. Sounds good. How's voltage?
Same, 13.5.
It's holding?
Yep. Oh, doesn't change.
Way better than last time then. This video could have been filmed a lot earlier, but somehow the keys were misplaced, and now we have a whole collection of NSX keys. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got the other ones too.
Oh, you got more keys in here? Look at that.
Like this kind of stuff.
Oh well, that's to protect yourself. Look at that. Look at that. More keys. If you guys don't know, okay, just the original keys for NSX itself, they go for like a lot of change. It's crazy how just the keys are expensive. All right, I just got back home, guys. Me and Rhea went out to dinner, had some dinner, had to run some errands. But yeah, today was fun. Got to take care of the NSX. Hopefully the next time around, we're gonna get the car on the road. From what I understand, we do have to do the registration, update the registration, and in order to do that, Hawaii has this thing, if your registration and safety check is expired, you have to do a temporary safety check and then go to the DMV to do the registration, and then go back to do your safety check to do your actual like annual, 12-month safety check thing or whatever. So hopefully we get that done the next time around. If you guys can tell, I'm sitting on my dining table, and just to show you guys, this is like a little side impulse thing that I've been doing with my cousin. Literally the past 2 days we collected like a bunch of Pokemon cards, and Pokemon is hot right now. And take a look at that. This is exclusive views of our first pulls. Me and my cousin is actually filming all of the pulls that we do for the Pokemon cards, and we're starting a channel for that. But if you guys are into Pokemon, I posted our first video right up here, so if you guys want to go check it out, go check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe to that. But other than that, I really thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys haven't done so, make sure you guys follow me on my socials. If you guys haven't done either, subscribe, like the video. It'll really help me a lot if you guys go ahead and follow my brand Definitive as well. So make sure you guys follow my brand Definitive. Again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the first 1,000 subscribers. That's like the first benchmark I really wanted to hit, and I was manifesting that we were gonna hit it by the end of the year, and it's only November and we already hit 1,000. So maybe the next benchmark would be, I don't know, 5,000. Maybe I'll do something fun there, but I really thank you guys for the support. And if you can share this channel with your friends and whoever, whoever's watching this, if you guys can share this with whoever you know or someone you guys think that might be interested in automotive, especially from a content creator from Hawaii, make sure you guys share my channel. I would really appreciate you guys for that. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.